Overnight, Apple announced a 16-inch MacBook Pro. This model replaces the current 15-inch, and in the US, the prices will remain the same, although here in Australia, we'll be paying about $300 extra on each model, thanks to the weakening Australian dollar. The laptop has a larger display in the current body of the MacBook, thanks to reduced bezels on all sides. But the big improvement is audio. This new laptop sounds amazing, with a 6-speaker array delivering much louder sound and deeper bass. Apple has also included, quote, studio quality microphones that I'm using right now to record this voiceover. Inside are the latest processors from Intel, delivering up to 80% faster compile times for developers and renders for video editors. And the MacBook Pro can be spec'd out to an insane 8TB of storage and 64GB of RAM. There's also a 100Wh battery, the largest possible in a laptop. But most importantly, the controversial butterfly keyboard has been replaced with an updated scissor keyboard. This new keyboard feels so much better to type on, with a satisfying bounce and travel to every key. The 16-inch MacBook Pro starts at $3,799 and is available from today.